Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record phone calls on OPPO A60. So, by default we don't have this option available, at least it is not available in my country or region. It might be available on other regions. Therefore, if this option is not available for you as well on this device, then you can download a third-party app from Google Play Store to be able to record those phone calls. So we're gonna search for call recorder, and we're gonna download this app that is called Cube ACR. I'm gonna download and install it on the device. And once we are done, we're gonna open it. So now press next, and of course we need to grant some permissions. So I'm gonna allow everything over here. Then we have the power optimization, so we can press OK and then choose allow. For geotagging, we don't have to grant access to that. If you see the premium features offered, then tap this cross in the top left corner. You might need to do that twice. Then we have the helper, and I'm gonna also install the helper as it might be needed to actually record those phone calls to make it work properly. So I'm gonna press install helper. We're gonna open the Google Chrome browser, and we will be offered to download a file, APK file. Before you do that, you might also need to grant access for the Chrome browser to install apps from unknown sources. So you might need to go to the settings and then go to security and privacy, more security and privacy, then scroll down, go to installation sources, and over here make sure that Chrome is selected and then press allow. This should help you. This should allow Chrome to download files. So let's reopen the same page, and we're gonna press download. There we go. Of course, we will see the information that the file might be harmful. It is not. I've tested it. So we're gonna press download anyway. And once it is downloaded, we can press open and then choose install. So now we're gonna wait a couple of seconds to install the helper, and we're gonna open it. And this time we're gonna press next. We need to grant permissions one more time. So let's do this. Now over here, first we need to tap go to accessibility, then go to downloaded apps, and then tap Cube ACR app connector once. You will see the information restricted setting. That's completely fine. So we can tap outside, go back, and this time we want to go to apps. Over here we need to search for the Cube ACR helper. Go there, tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then choose allow restricted settings. We'll need to verify ourselves, so enter the password, and then we can go back. After that, we need to go back to accessibility one more time, go to downloaded apps, and then choose Cube ACR app connector and enable it. Press allow, then we can press OK, allow, and then we can open Cube ACR. And now we can use the app. So over here we can find the information. We can press OK, got it. Over here we have the microphone. We can pretty much start recording by pressing this microphone. We can stop it through the notifications, and then we can hear the dictaphone. So this is not the phone call, of course. This is just the dictaphone. However, we should also have the option to automatically record phone calls. So just to show you how it works, I'm gonna call myself and then let you everything know. So let's go back to the home screen and let me make a call. Alright, so now I'm gonna answer the call. I'm gonna mute the microphone for now, over here as well. And if you open the notification, then over here we should see that the automatic call recording information from the Cube ACR, and it is in progress now. And from what I've noticed, the first 5 seconds, it needs like 5 seconds to turn itself on. So if the phone call is shorter than 5 seconds, then it probably won't save the phone call. However, if it lasts longer than approximately 5 seconds, then it should be able to work. So let me actually end the phone call. and I'm gonna show you how to find the recording now. So if we open the notifications, then you will see that there is nothing there anymore after the end of the call. So now we can open the Cube ACR app, and over here we will find the call. We can tap on it and then press play in order to listen to it. We can of course also skip 10 seconds forward or go back 10 seconds. We can use our finger. We can press these three dots in order to find more options. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.